My attention, don't you? Hi, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with my co-instructor, Bodie, and we are working on our torticollis series. Oh, it's hard to split my attention here. And we're pretending that Bodie has left-sided torticollis. So on torticollis, that means your left sternocleidomastoid, this muscle right here, is tight, and so that makes you tilt left and rotate right. So you need to work on the opposite things. So stretching is often difficult for families to do. So we're setting up activities in which I try to get him to turn his head the opposite direction, to his left, the side that he would not prefer. Oh, are you trying to get my attention with that fake little cough? So the way I work on it, one of the two ways, is I'll put them on their left side, and then I hold their head but rotate their body back toward the back. Oh, did you think that was rude? Oh, thanks for imitating a child with torticollis. You all right? All right, so when kids have a hard time, I just slowly rock them on their side. Going, oh. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Are you okay? Yes, I think you're fine. Can we try it again? Because you're turning your head like a pro. So we're going to go on the left side. And then we're going to bring that body back. There you go. And while he's on his side. Now again, the research is inconclusive on how long you should hold that stretch, but more frequent stretches are considered better than less frequent stretches. So I've seen some studies go 2 seconds, recommendations of 30 seconds, 2 minutes, just what you can tolerate. But the research also says that you should watch for changes in breathing or changes in color and stop the stretch if they're having and restart again if you're having trouble. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Like this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out? Click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.